The second question of exercise 1.1 is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. So here the elements of the set A are directly given, whereas in set B it is given in a set builder form. So from this set builder form we have to convert it to the roster form. That is, we have to find the elements of set B. So the elements of A are 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to find the elements of B from set builder form. So what is given? X is a prime number less than 10. So x is a prime number and it is less than 10. So what is a prime number? A number which is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. I'll repeat it again. A number which is divisible by itself and 1 is called a prime number. So the prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So now we have the elements of both the sets. So now we have to find A cross B. So A cross B is equal to, so what is the first set here? We have A, right? So I'm going to write the elements of A first. That is 1, 2, 3. Cross, the second set is B. So the values of second set B is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Yes. So now we have to find the Cartesian product of A cross B. So for that we have to pair each and every element of set A with the elements of set B. So the first element here is 1. So I'm going to pair this 1 with every element of B. Yes. So set of all. So I'm going to pair this 1 with 2. So 1 comma 2. Next, this 1 with 3. 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5 and 1 comma 7. So I have completed with 1, right? So in the same way, I'm going to pair every elements of B with this 2. So 2 comma 2, again 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. So the last element here is 3. So I'm going to pair this 3 with the elements of B. 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. So next, we have found A cross B. Now we have to find for B cross A. So B cross A is equal to, so what is the first set we have here? B, right? So I'm going to write the elements of B first. So what are the elements of B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross. So elements of A are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. So in the same way, we have to pair every elements of B with the elements of A. So set of all. So the first element here is 2, right? So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Yes? So in the same way, for 3, we are going to pair how? 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Next, for 5, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3. So 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3. So the last element here is 7. So 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2 and 7 comma 3. Yes? That's all. So now we move on to the third sum. So this is the third question. If B cross A is equal to set of ordered pairs. So they have given ordered pairs and we have to find A and B. Yes. So in this question, they have given the Cartesian product of B cross A. So from these ordered pairs, we have to find the elements of set A and set B. Yes. So what is the first set given here? B. So B is the first set here. So first we are going to find the values, that is the elements of set B. So in a Cartesian product, yes, in a Cartesian product, we know that in every ordered pair, the first element belongs to the first set. I'll repeat. In a Cartesian product, the first element of every ordered pair belongs to the first set. Yes, we'll circle it. So I'm circling the first element of every ordered pair. I'm circling the first element of every ordered pair. So the every first element of the ordered pair belongs to the first set. So here the first set is B. So the elements of B are -2, -2, 0, 0, 3, comma 3. Yes, but in a set, repetitions of elements are not allowed. So since repetition of elements is not allowed in a set, I'm going to strike it off the extra elements. That is, we have 2 minus 2 here. So leaving 1, I'm striking off the other. So we have 2 zeros. I'm cutting 1. Yes. So now the elements of B are -2, 0 and 3. Yes. So now the second set here is A. So now the second elements of each ordered pair belongs to the second set, that is A. So the elements of A are, we have 3 here. I am ticking off the second elements. Yes. So the second elements of each ordered pair belong to the second set. So the elements of A are 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Yes, since we have 3 threes and 3 fours, leaving off 1, I am striking out the remaining 3 and 4. Yes, now the element of A is 3, 4. So now we have found the elements of B and A. So now we'll move on to the